Hi guys, this is Carmen with DiMaria Duo, and today I wanted to talk to you about my new favorite vacuum that our friends over at Yeedi sent us to test out. Now, this is not just a regular vacuum because check it out. This attachment right here allows you to mop the floor, and you can see I've already mopped the floor. It does a really nice job. Right there, you're gonna fill up the water, and then you just attach it in the trunk here. Now, when I attach it here, I want you to listen to what the Yeedi vacuum is going to say to me.
Switch to vacuum and mop mode.
It instantly knows it's vacuum and mop mode. So I'm going to.
Ended. Please install the vacuum module first. Switch to vacuum only mode.
Just like that, it knows, it senses that this is not there, so it switches back to vacuum mode. What I really love about it, in addition to the fact that it mops, is that it has all these built-in sensors on the sides and in the front and on the top. And what it does, before you even run a cycle on this vacuum, you have to map your home. And what it does is it kind of just drives around and it uses its sensors to determine where there's objects in your home to avoid it. Another feature, I know I keep going on about this vacuum, but it constantly will go in a straight line. If it hits an object, it's not like my previous vacuum where it would just make a hard left and keep going until it hit something else. It would sense it, it would go around it, pick up the line it was initially on, and then continue going straight. So I just ran my old vacuum, and now I ran the Yeedi because I wanted to see how the suction power compared to my previous one matches up with the Yeedi. Oh, I wasn't expecting that much dirt. That's the filter right there, which is really nice that the filter is right there. But look at all that dirt. This does a fantastic job. It's able to get under all of my furniture without any issues. It also is able to avoid the stairs. When it's in mop mode, it'll actually come up on the carpet a little bit to sense the carpet, and it will go around and will mop the floor. I was so impressed on how it did. I'm gonna hit play real quick so you can see what it looks like. I need to show you the app. So we hit play and I switched over to the app. This is what your house will look like after your Yeedi is done mapping your home. It will identify rooms on its own. You don't have to do that at all. The really nice thing about the app is within the app, you can tell it to only clean room 1 or only to clean room 5. Or maybe there is a spill and we need it to mop. So we can send it over to a different room and tell it to mop. The nice thing is that black circle that's moving around, that's the vacuum. So at the end, you will actually see the path that your vacuum goes across because that path will stay there for the entire thing. So if you're really looking for a new vacuum to save yourself some time when it comes to vacuuming and mopping, check out the Yeedi C12 from our friends. I'm not disappointed, and if I'm not disappointed, there's no way you're going to be disappointed. So thank you again to our friends at Yeedi.